Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to discuss what to choose, British English or American English, because this is really popular question, and when you start learning English, you need to know what to learn because there are a lot of differences between British, between American English in pronunciation, like aluminum in American English and aluminium in British English. It's like two different ways to pronounce it. Yes, and in this video we will discuss about this huge question, about this huge topic. Let's go. Let's start with beauty. British English is definitely more beautiful than American English because American English is so simple. For example, water, better, little, leisure, clever, walk. It's super American. It's so simple to understand. It's simple to learn. But British English is a lot more beautiful. For example, these R sound at the end of the word. For example, leisure, clever, walk, car. Yes, it sounds just amazing. And so aristocratic with this like British style. Yes, it's so beautiful. Or like sound T, better, water, little, written. Yes, it's beautiful too. And British English is a lot more beautiful than American English. That's why this point goes to British English. But of course, British English is not popular as American English. For example, in British English, people speak only in the United Kingdom and like very close variant in Northern Ireland and Ireland and all. But American English is so popular. We can hear American English or close variants like Canadian English, Australian English, and all of these types of English. And we can hear these types of English in movies and literature, on YouTube, on Netflix, from different Instagram bloggers or YouTubers, because like population of the United States is around 300 million people, and it's really huge number if we compare with Britain, where population around 60 million people. Yes, and this American culture, we all know American movies, American Hollywood movies, we all know major American cities like New York, like Los Angeles, like I don't know, Miami or Boston. Yes, we all know the cities from different Hollywood movies. And that's why American English is easier to learn, because when you learn in American English, you can rely on different sources, on different information, and on different YouTubers, Instagram bloggers, and movies. But when you learn in British English, it's quite complicated because you don't have enough sources, enough people speaking with British English, with this British accent. Because Britain, once again, this is not really big country. Britain, this is a really small country, to be honest. It's smaller than Germany, it's smaller than France or Italy. Yes, the United Kingdom is not really big country, with not really huge population. Yes, and when you want to learn British English, it's so hard because you need to born in UK and raised with UK parents or with Britons at all, or you need to find different British movies, British YouTubers, which is a lot harder than find American YouTubers and American movies. That's why this point goes to American English. And we use American words even if we speak with British English. For example, we say aluminum, not aluminium, like in the UK. We say pants, not trousers. We say sweater, not jumper. Yes, it's a lot of words that we pronounce with American accent, with American pronunciation. But if we're talking about academic English, about grammar, about different things like these, and like fundamental education, British English is better from this point of view. For example, I have here... Okay, for example, I have here, this is just amazing book, this English Grammar in Use by Cambridge University. It's just amazing to learn grammar or to learn different types of grammar. And of course, it's for all levels. It's for B2, B1, I think. Yes. But Cambridge have these books for C1, C2, for A1, A2, and it's so amazing. But here is a lot of types of grammar that you need to know. And if you on C1 or C2 level, this book will be useful for you because honestly, even Americans don't use grammar harder than in this book. And I have an Oxford book here. Yes, it's from Oxford, and it's British. And this is like word skills for C1, for upper intermediate, for B2, C1 level, for upper intermediate advanced level. Yes, and here you can find British words, and sometimes I'm so confused because it's British. And a lot of books for English learners, they are from Oxford, from Cambridge, from UCL. This is all British universities. And of course, you clicked on this video to get a really simple answer what to learn, British English or American English. And the answer, it depends on you. If you like British English, here you go, you can learn it because it's just amazing accent, it's just amazing pronunciation, it's amazing culture, food, London is pretty good. And if you love American culture, American movies, this like New York style or chill vibe in California, yes, you can learn American English. It's a lot easier than British English, it's better to learn because personally I love British English. It's pretty cool, it's pretty nice, and it's so beautiful, but it's so hard for me to pronounce British words correctly because it's like this R sound, this hard sounds, like these T sounds, and when you speak so fast, it's quite complicated to speak with British English, personally for me, of course not for Britons, and not for natives, not for Britons. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this YouTube video. I finally back to my YouTube channel because I had a little break because I passed a lot of exams, a lot of different things I did. Yes, it was not really easy for me because doing a YouTube video, it's so hard sometimes. But I really love talking with you on YouTube because it's a great platform for communication and it's a great platform for sharing my thoughts, my interests, my experience in English and all of this stuff. And I hope on my YouTube channel will be more videos in the future. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, comments down below, and I see you guys in the next videos. Goodbye.